Hi everyone and welcome to my channel Find Inspiration. Today I have come to shop some terracotta planters, so I thought of giving a tour of this shop. Come with me and let's see their collection. Here you can see the huge collection of terracotta planters and vessels also. So here in the second rack they have kept all the vessels, even the container to store some water. And here are the beautiful planters. So here you can see a peacock planter and a planter with the Buddha face and frog, and one more planter with the fish face. So here is the huge collection of vases with different sizes. Here you can see a small chotu planters with different faces of animals, small cups, diyas. They have very nice collection of diyas. So here you gain cups, and here you can see some toys. So here this is the elephant planter and a shivling with Lord Ganesha. Here you can see the planters with modern art. So there are different kinds. So this is the one, and here is another variety. And here you can see the planters with the different kind of faces. So there are different kind of tortoise. So you can see here this is another one, different shapes. So they are looking so beautiful. And here you can see the huge collection of matkas which is used to store water for drinking. And in this side you can see different size and shapes of planters. And here you can see many varieties and size and shapes of vases. And here I am planning to buy this urli, which cost around 250 rupees. And here you can see this beautiful bird planter. So I am in love with it, so I am planning to buy one of this. So it cost around 200 rupees. Here you can see different animal face planters like cat, dog, sheep. Here one more the peacock shape planter, and here it's the dog shape planter. See here the tiny houses which you can keep in your balcony garden for the decorations. So here once again the sheep planter, a sun made up of terracotta, and here once again the tiny toys of tortoise. And one more animal planter with the face of lion. So this beautiful toy is a tea light holder. So here is the basket shaped planter. So here are the plates which you can keep under the planters. And here are again the collection of vases of different sizes. Some vessels. And here is the swan and even the flamingo. So which you can decorate your garden. And here you can see the collection of the vases and the planters. So let's have a look of planters of different sizes and shapes. So here is a wood kind of planter and some brick type of designs. So flowers. So here you can see the different varieties of planters. So this is the huge collection in this shop. So I have shown only a few of them, and there are many more to see in this shop, and they even customize the planters according to our choice. So now let's have a look. So what I have bought from that shop. So here is the planter. So I have taken two pieces of this planter, and it cost around 180 rupees each. And now moving to the other. So here I bought this small tiny elephant planter, and one more I bought is this cat planter. So this cost around 80 rupees each. So this is very cute. So now let's see the other one. So this is the same bird planter which I have showed you. So this is around 200 rupees. So this looks very beautiful with 3 birds. This one even you can use it as a bird feeder also. They have the holes to hang this planter. So next we'll move to this small cute Buddha. This is also around 200 rupees and it's so cute. So I'm planning to paint this Buddha, and I will upload it in my upcoming videos. And this is a small planter. It cost around 60 rupees and I have taken 2 pieces of this. And this chotu, this house, it cost around 60 rupees. And this is the tortoise planter, and it cost around 200 rupees. And the last but not the least is this urli. So I was finding this kind of urli from many days from local vendors. So finally I got this. So friends, this is the video for today. I hope you like this shopping haul video. If you have any queries, do comment, like and share the video with your family and friends. And if you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified with my new video. Thank you for watching.